Dear students, today I'll take topic on transformer section, the few problems in AutoCAD. The first step will start with course sections, that is step course, single step, two step, three step course and all. As you know the difference between single phase, the core type, three phase core type and all, along with shell types and all. Just have a look at this diagram, single phase core type. So the main difference is the winding is surrounded by core, whereas here this core is surrounded by, here core is surrounded by winding and winding is surrounded by core in shell type, is it? If you consider this core type as winding is there around this core, so the core type having single phase having two limbs, whereas three phase having three limbs, whereas shell type single phase three limbs and this is three phase. So whereas these LVHV windings are wound just like a sandwich type. Okay, and the main the difficulty in this, if any fault has been happened, it will come out, it will be difficult because this is used for high current low voltage application, whereas this is used for high voltage low current applications and all. If you see this, if you cut it exactly horizontally, that is top, you can call all these LVHV windings are you can see in terms of circle form, diameter, radius form. The dimensions will be diameter and radius in plan section, whereas in elevation, if you cut it exactly vertically, the height and length takes a very important role. So let us start the problems. Just have a look this, as you know these formulas for single step core, two step, three step, single step core, this is two step cruciform core, you can call these formulas 0.71D, 0.85D, 0.53D. So these are formulas that they have given. This circle is nothing but diameter of the core here. Okay, and this is three step core. These formulas you have to remember. This is the diameter of the core. In three step core, you can call this largest stamping, middle stamping, smallest stamping. Okay, the formulas are there, and here I'll be taking one problem. I'll be taking one simple, that is diameter of core is 24 centimeter. Just I'll consider diameter of core is 24 centimeter. I calculated a value. I calculated for two step A and B value. Here this is largest, smallest stamping, and then for I calculated same thing for three step core, formulas I have written and substituted this diameter of the core. We got all three values. Okay, so let us start. I'll tell you how to draw in AutoCAD. Before going to the AutoCAD, so how to draw the steps. First, you are going for single step core. So first you have to draw the diameter of the core 24 centimeter and the stamping is 17.4 centimeter is there. How to start? So what you have to do here, so first you have to make it half. This will be 8.52. So how to draw this, I'll show you in AutoCAD. First you have to draw a circle of 24 centimeter. Okay, once you have drawn a circle of 24 centimeter, so what you have to do, the stamping you have to specify, is it? And now I'll draw circle of 24. So what I'll do here, see in this, just I'll escape. In this circle is there, circle you can draw, the radius is there, also diameter also, whichever you can take. If you are taking diameter 24, you have to specify. If you are taking radius, double you have to take, and you have to be careful whether you are taking radius or diameter. Getting? Okay. So now I'll draw, F12 is on, so it is displaying over here. So now I'll write 24 centimeter diameter. Yes. Okay. You can zoom it. Okay. So we got a circle of how much? 24 centimeter, is it? And you have to check it now, is it 24 or not? So what you have to do here in linear, go for your diameter, just click on this, just drag it, check it. Yes, 24 centimeter, is it? Okay, once it is 24, then it's confirmed, then you can do it. That step. Okay, just I'll delete this, that dimension. Okay, so this is 24 centimeter. Now steps you have to make as what I told here. So 17.04 exactly within that. The diagram should be a single step. It should be like this. Okay. So 17.04 half will be 8.52. So what you have to do here, 8.52. So first what you have to do, as you know center point is there. Okay. From the center point, okay, cursor will take it on circle and again come it here. So 8.52. In this point 8.52 I'll make. Enter. Okay, half. Same thing I'll draw here also. From this point 8.5 to this side 8.52. Okay, so total it should be how much? I had drawn a line half here, half here. So you can check it. You go for dimension, linear you take, you just click over here and here, check it whether is it correct or not. Yes, it is displaying 17.04. Is it getting? It is displaying 17. Otherwise you can check it like this. 17.04 is correct. Is it? Okay. Just I'll delete this dimension. Okay. So now what you have to do, take a line command, just draw a line like this. Just draw a line. Again here, just draw a line. Okay, now you have to extend this once you are drawn a line, because if why I'm doing like this means, if you extend this, it will take more time to join. Again, simply you zoom it, it won't join only. So that's why just I extend the lines. So what I'll do now, I'll extend this remaining. Just I draw, now I'll extend. While extending, so select this which you want to extend, and once you have selected lines and the circle, so the line has to meet the circle. So don't extend the circle to line. Okay, the line has to meet the circle. Just click, already has selected, right click, just extend, 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 extend. Getting? Okay, then join this. Is it? Yes, join this and join this also. Okay, okay, okay. So now just I'll delete this center line. Okay, so now this is the single step. So just I'll indicate the diameter. This is diameter. So, and in new version, if you want to change this dimension height, so directly it is visible, available on that that's above the tab itself. But here, so little bit this is older version, so here it will display box here. So in text height you have to change, in text you have to change the height. Getting what I'm telling? So new version, easily above you can change. Okay, and just I'll make 4 the text. Okay, so this is 24 centimeter, and this linear, this dimension is how much? Single step code. Yes, this is how much? 17.4. This text height you can change. In new version it's different. Okay, so easily you can make. Okay, yes, escape. This is single step code. Got it? So now same thing, I'll go for 2-step code. Okay, so for 2-step code, what are the formulas? Just recall now. This is 2-step code, also called as cruciform code. So 2 steps. So first step, I am taking diameter of core is 24 centimeters. So first is 20.4, second is 12.7 to half. You have to make it. Okay. Okay. Now I'll start. Again, what you have to do here? Again, redraw a circle 24 centimeter. Redraw a circle of 24 centimeter. Okay. What is this first step here? See, you have to get it 20.4. First stamping. Second stamping 12.72. Okay. What is this? 10 point, half is 10.02. First I'll make 10.02. So what I'll do here, I'll take a line, I'll click on this, and again I click on this. How much it is? First stamping will be how much? 10.02 you have to make. 10.02. Enter. Okay, from this point 10.02. This also 10.02. Yes. Okay, so now what you have to do here? So just draw a line here and here. Again take a line from this, just draw a line. Okay, just extend this. Extend, click this circle, select this circle, select this circle, click this circle, right click, extend to circle. Extend to circle. Getting? Okay. Just join this. Just join this. Okay. Just join this also. Okay. Yes. Okay, so once you are joined, this is first step. This you are not joined properly. So what you have to take a line. Just take a line. Sorry. Just take a line. Click on this, what that point you have taken, and just join over here. Okay. Yes. Now it's not joined properly. FA to make it on, because it's not going straight. Just click on this, FA to make it on. Okay, just join here. Yes. Okay, so this is first step, and as you know, this another step is of how much here? B is what is that value? Just have a look now. B is 12.7 to half will be 6.36. Okay, so make it 6.36 from this point. Draw 6.36, 6.36, enter, and again see, you will be getting line here like this. Okay, just draw a line. Again from this center point, 6.36, 6.36, enter. Okay, see here you will be getting a line. Just I'll see, and not deleted. Just if you move the cursor, you will get line. So from this you can, okay. Otherwise if you are having any confusion, just click on this. See, just if you click it, it will indicate point. Okay. So now extend this. Select these two, this circle, extend. Okay. Just yes. Okay. So now what you have to do here? Now you have to do mirror. Above already you have drawn. Just select this, right click, center point, first point, second point, enter. Okay. So this is two-step code. So what is that value here? Two-step code. See, you can see here. Just I show the what that first step what you got. First step this one. This is the phone is 20.04. Is it visible? See, 20.04 is it? Okay. So another is how much? You can click over here. Another stamping width is how much? This is 12.72. A is 12.72. B is 20.04. Understood? This is two stamping. So now I will go for third stamping. Another again draw a circle of 24 centimeter. Okay. Go through that theory. So first stamping is 21.6. Next is 16.8. Then is 10.08. So all you have to make it half. 10.0, 8.4, 5.04. Okay. So first is first step what you have to do 10 point. So what you have to do here 10.08. Okay. 10.08 first. Okay. Just escape. Again take a line. Escape to press. Take a line. 10.08. 10.08. Enter. Okay. So now what you have to do? Just take a line and what is that 12 point? How much it is? 21.6 it should be. Starting only you check it. Is it 21.6 or not? Yes, 20. It is 21.6. So something problem is there. So what you have to do here? So first you have to draw 10.8. 21.6 half will be 21.6 half will be 10.8. So what you take a line command. Okay. So draw a line like this. Sorry, draw a line of 10.8. Okay. Again take a line. So from this 10.8. Okay. Just check it. Is it? Yes. So now extend this. Just draw a line. Okay. Take a extend command. Just click this. Click this. Click this. Click this. Click this. And extend. 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 Sorry. Extend. Okay. Just join this. Yes, this is first stamping. Similar second stamping is 16.8 half will be 8.4. Again take a line command from this. Draw 8.4. 8.4. Enter. So once you get, so again just I'll draw a line over here. Again 8.4 from this center point. Click here. Point it is showing 8.4. Enter. Again draw a line. Again extend this. Click this. This. Okay, extend this. Okay, this is what? Second stamping. Getting? So this is what? Second stamping. Okay. Similarly, third stamping afterwards afterwards what I'll do? Afterwards I'll make directly at a time I'll make mirror. Okay. So third stamping will be 5.04, double will be 10.08. So see that formula 5.04. 5.04. Enter. Okay. So here also from this point 5.04. 5.004. Enter. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So same thing. Similarly here also 5.04. 5.04 you draw. Once you have finished this, you can join it. So third stamping also you will get. This is 5.04. Okay. So here 5.04. Enter. So once you got, just draw a line. From this point also just draw a line. Extend this. Extend this. This circle. Extend. Okay. Just join this. Okay. And you can do mirror. Just select this. Right click. The first point. Second point. Enter. So this is 3-step code. single step, two step, three step. This is the procedure you have